Drone warfare we're seeing.
Fox News just admitted something they never wanted to say. Ukrainian drones are better than America's. This is not a joke. This is not propaganda. This is the official position of the United States Army. In May 2026, the Pentagon did something unthinkable. They canceled the M10 Booker Light tank contract. They stopped buying JLTVs and instead thousands of drones. 10 divisions. 1,000 drones per division. $36 billion. That's the largest drone investment in U.S. military history. But here's the part that shocked everyone. Fox News just reported that Ukrainian Sting drones are actually better than U.S. technology. Read that again. Fox News said Ukraine is ahead of America. So, what did Ukraine teach America? First, tanks are vulnerable. Thousands of Russian tanks destroyed by FPV drones, costing just $500 each. Colonel Donald Neal from the U.S. Army said it best, quote, "We have to learn how to use drones, how to fight with them, how to scale them." End quote. Right now, at Excise African Lion 2026 in Morocco, American sky soldiers are testing drone warfare tactics. Unmanned ground vehicles, remote systems, autonomous forces, live testing happening this week. But there's a problem. The New York Times just reported that America is losing the AI drone race. China and Russia are ahead. Russia tests and perfects drones in Ukraine every single day. The Pentagon has a deadline. Every squad must have FPV drones before October 1st, 2026. That's less than 5 months away. The drone war has already started. Will America catch up in time?